How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to show you guys how to mew. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Another video, Sparky is in it, you guys. So say hi, Sparks. Okay. Sparky's chilling on me. We're making videos today. She's having a blast. I'm having a blast. So when you are mewing really all it comes down to is trying to get a good jawline. Mewing, it's a lot about tongue positioning in your mouth. I'm going to show you a quick exercise that you can do. Now, when you talk to people about mewing, when people show you how to mew, they'll always say your tongue, put it on the roof of your mouth like this. You try your best to make it flat right against the roof of your mouth like this. Now, that's cool. That's really good. And then what people recommend is to leave it or try to hold that position for as long as possible. Some people will do this every single day, all day long, which I respect you for that. I could not do that all day. What I recommend to do a little exercise that I call tongue up, tongue down. So what you do is you put your tongue up like this, but then you put it down like this. So what you do when you are performing this exercise, I feel it right. Oh, Sparky's falling. No, Sparky, no, she's falling. Oh, there you go. What I notice is I feel it right in here. Right in here and in here is where I feel it. So that really allows us to get a good jawline. Again, tongue up, tongue down, just like this. So and you'll see, you will feel it in here. You feel it a lot in here. You'll feel it in here. You'll feel it in here. It's a great exercise to do. I love doing it. And I feel a lot of people will see amazing benefits by doing this. You have to practice. You have to do it a few times. Try doing 3 to 4 sets. And you should see some good results. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Sparky says goodbye too. Woof.